Yo, guys, yo, family. Happy new month. Yeah, it's a new month. I hope you are all doing great and happy weekend. Yeah, it's the Rough Trader here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is another episode on the weekly Forex market outlook. Yeah, so we've always paid attention to XAUUSD, GBPUSD, and GBPJPY, and we're still counting. And if you want me to just pay attention to another pair, you can just drop it on the comments section. So I'm definitely going to analyze the pair for us. So let's make this channel very interesting, family. So let's switch to our chart. So what pair are we starting with? Let's start with GBPUSD. So let's go to the weekly time frame. And GBPUSD has been trending downward for a very, very long period of time before it hits the support of 1985, which is a very strong and significant support. But the question is price going to bounce off on that support for a bullish reversal? So let's go to the weekly time frame. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame. Okay, for us to see it properly, let's just go to the monthly time frame. And this is a new month. This is a new month. So obviously when the market opens, the market is going to start with a new candlestick. Yeah, with a new candlestick formation on the monthly time frame because this is a new month. So this is the support of 9. So now for and I told us something about when the market price so that's what we only so let me adjust this support. So let's just go to the 4 hour time frame because this is more or less like a free roll market. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what happened on the 4 hour. So this is obviously a very strong overall bearish trend. So let's just complement it with trend line. And just make sure our chance to see properly. And so this is our trend line. So let's just okay, this is a descending channel. We've got a descending channel on GBP USD on the 4 hour time frame. So let's pay attention to some zones we can mark out here. There are some zones we should be able to mark out on this time frame. And if you also pay attention to this place, you'll see something like a formation around this area. So we can just mark that one out too because it looks important. So let's just mark it out and complement it. So this is obviously a psychological key level of 1.12 thousand. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame for us to see it properly. Okay, good. Can you see this little buy pressure around this area? This is the buy pressure around this area. Even though price broke and we had some rejections around this area. So we can also pay attention to inner trend in as much as we like the main trend. We can also pay attention to inner trend. And the inner trend of this market is a bullish market. So then that means we know we are drawing a trend line from down to up. So we can adjust our trend line. Okay, so I think this one is looking nice. This setup is looking nice. So all I'm just waiting for is I'll just wait for price to patiently come up here for a rejection. So once I see this rejection, then I'm taking a sell downward on GBP USD here. So I don't get it twisted. Price can also break above. But like I said, we always react to what we see in the market. We can't predict what's going to happen. We really react to what we see in the forex market. That's what I'm looking out for on GBP USD. I'll wait for price to come up to this area, this level here, then a rejection downward for a sell. So I'm also going to capitalize from it. Yeah, so I can just make on that next week. So let's go to GBPJPY. Wow, GBPJPY is set for a bullish reversal because this actually ended this is the last stand a very strong bullish stance. But definitely you should expect some retracement downward. And I'm sure you might also capitalize from the retracement downward. GBPJPY. So let's mark out the point. So these are just the main points you should even pay attention to presently on GBPJPY because that's where it's happening. So let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, let's just go to the 4 hour time frame again. Okay, so I can see something here. Even though price has started giving us a bullish reversal on GBPJPY, I can see something. Let's just change to a line chart so us to see it properly. Or it's not necessarily change to a line chart. We can just put it out ourselves. Okay, this is what I can see. This is what I can see on GBPJPY. And we can also mark an inner trend on GBPJPY too. But let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see it properly. Let's mark out this level first. Because can you see there's a little bullish push upward on this place. There's a little bullish push upward on this place. So we can just put it out. So I just have to adjust it to a psychological key level of 162.500. So let's also pay attention to the bullish trend inside. We already marked the outer trend. So let's pay attention to the inner trend, which is a bullish trend here. So pay attention to this area here. Okay, can you see GBPJPY is also looking like GBPUSD? So I'll just wait patiently for price to also push up to that trend line, then it will just take my sell downward, and still price can still break above and continue pushing upward. So I'll just wait patiently for price to come up to this area, then reject downward for a sell on GBPJPY. So that's what I'm looking out for on GBPJPY. So let's go to the last and not the least, XAUUSD gold. So honestly, I feel gold is going to continue selling because price gave us a double top formation on the monthly time frame. Price gave us a double top formation. And you know when you see a double top, what it means, look at the first top and the second one. It's a bearish move. It's a bearish pattern. Yeah, when you see a double top, just know it's a bearish pattern. But still, we analyze. We don't know what's happened, what's going to happen. We just try and capitalize from the market. So let me just mark this support area here. This was the last low last week here. So it's the low price created last week. So let's go to the 4 hour for more analysis. Okay, good. I can see something. This is obviously a bearish trend. This is obviously a bearish trend, and we can complement it with a trend line or trend lines. So let's complement this. So this is a descending channel. This is a descending channel. But now we can also pay attention to inner trend inside this descending channel. And obviously the current inner trend inside this descending channel is a bullish trend. But before we mark that out, let's mark out our levels, intermediate level. So we can go to the 1 hour time frame to mark it out properly. Okay, good. So we already marked that out. So there's something I can see because if you pay attention to the play, you see, look at this strong, impulsive move. Yeah, before price started creating higher highs and higher low, and price could not break past this high again and started giving us a lower high, then a double top. But there's something I want us to pay attention to because if we mark out this, if we mark out this area here, we mark out this area here. Good. Can you see this thing wants to give us like a bullish flag? I don't know, but I feel it wants to give us something like a bullish flag. That's the pole. Can you see? Then we expect a continuation upward on gold. Well, like I said, we always react to what we see. And let me mark out this point here. Let me mark out this point around this place here. Good. So gold wants to give us something like a bullish flag. I feel it wants to give us something like a bullish flag because look at the first impulsive move here. Then this is a correction before the next impulsive move upward. So I feel gold wants to give us a bullish flag, but like I always say, we react to what we see. We react to what we see. Once we don't get the reaction we want, then just stay out of the market and look for another stuff you want to work on. So that's what I'm looking at for on GBP GBPJPY, and gold. I hope you guys enjoy this analysis. Don't forget to like and just follow. And just you guys should just follow for more content because trust me, it's going we are going hard. We are going hard this season. We're going hard this season. Make use of your proper risk management. Yeah, always make use of your proper risk management and you know how to manage your trade properly. Stay rough, family. Peace out.